Hello, welcome to the Environment, Health and Safety Virtual Reality Training. I'm Saida and I'm going to be your guide. Before we continue, let's learn how to use your controllers to navigate inside the VR experience. Please take a moment to answer the following questions. Let's start the lesson. We will learn about the key principles of fire safety and evacuation procedures. Please watch this video. Introduction to fire safety. As you can imagine, emergencies can happen anywhere and at any time. Before we continue to our next section, let's check your knowledge with a short quiz. Well done! Please select an action to proceed. There are 5 main classes of fire: A, B, C, D, and K. Each one of them has a different firefighting response. Please watch this video. Before we continue to our next section, let's check your knowledge with a short quiz. Well done! Please select an action to proceed. It's very important to keep a few key considerations in mind. Please watch this video. Introduction to fire safety. Before we continue to our next section, let's check your knowledge with a short quiz. Well done! Please select an action to proceed. Excellent! Now let's take your knowledge to the next level. Watch this video. Introduction to fire safety. Before we continue to our next section, let's check your knowledge with a short quiz. Well done! Please select an action to proceed. Fire extinguishers could be dangerous if not used properly and safely. For that, remember the following acronym: PASS. Please watch this video. Now let's practice the PASS method on this small fire. First, select the correct fire extinguisher. Great work on selecting CO2. Next, locate and pull the pin on the extinguisher. Well done! Next, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Great job! Now squeeze the trigger and swipe from one side to the other. Excellent! Remember to keep a safe distance of 1.5 to 2 meters from the fire at all times. Well done! Please select an action to proceed. Great job so far! Now, in this section, we will practice evacuation procedures in the event of a fire. Please watch this video. Introduction to fire. Okay, it looks like there is a fire starting near the power socket. Let's practice the steps we just learned. Well done! Keep going.
Thank you for your call. The fire brigade is on its way.
Well done! Keep going. Now try to put the fire out. Remember the PASS technique? Looks like this fire is becoming uncontrollable. We need to evacuate the building. Well done! Now locate a map to help you find your way. Well done on not wasting time collecting personal belongings. In emergency situations, make sure you always close the door on your way out to help contain the fire. Well done! Now see if you can find a map to help you identify where you need to go. Well done! Select your location on the map and then select the nearest assembly point. Excellent! Now follow the path to evacuate the building. Don't run towards the assembly point to avoid potential injury. Never use an elevator in the event of a fire. Try locating the nearest staircase to exit the building. Nice work finding the stairs. Make sure you are on the correct side. Make sure you always close the door on your way out to help contain the fire. Make sure you always close the door on your way out to help contain the fire. Excellent work on reaching the assembly point. Follow the officer to complete your evacuation.